Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the useState with Boolean variable. Let's get started with the RAFCE. By using this, we will get the template. So by using this Boolean with the help of useState, how we are going to write down the logic for Boolean variables. Let's create one constant Boolean variable, destructuring that and set this bool val, it's a camel case, comma set bool val. After this one is equal to use state. Within this we'll apply that default false false value, and we'll display that in on the console. Just apply that bool val, and let's verify on the browser, refresh it, and after this one console it, inspect it, and look in the browser, default false value it is showing. So we can use that a toggle kind of thing by using this bool variable in the browser. Just remove this one, use that react dot fragment default empty, and move that to, you can move this by pressing the alt and down arrow, just it will go down, and here we'll apply this uh, bootstrap kind of row grid type things. So class name is equals to row, and we'll give the above some space if you required, margin top is 5. After that one, within this div we are going to have one more div, that is in this also we have to mention that columns class name, which is a column col column, and that we have to adjust the length of that column 4 points. And after that, if you want give any kind of thing later, if you required we can give other things. And let's have a input or button type things we'll use. Here we'll apply that button, button button. Here button type is a button, and if you want use this toggle as a toggle button name, and we'll have that on click event method, and we'll handle that handle outside of this btn. Outside means here line number 8 we'll have that definition of for that const handle btn, which is equals within parenthesis, we'll follow that arrow function. Let's update this set bool value, control C, control V, and within this we'll use the toggle kind of thing. That means if it is true it becomes false, if false it becomes true. So that's why not we are giving bool value. Bool value, if it is initially some kind of true, that means it is going to store as the false in the bool value. Let's see, and below this we'll apply that what do we call that one, within this h1 tag we'll apply that. Here we are going to have that such kind of, let's apply that bool val question mark, that means ternary operator we are going to use, if else type this is that, and bool val is true now, then use that colon, not colon here, outside of this colon, then within double quotes bool val is going to false, false false now. based on this condition, that means here Alt Shift F, based on this condition, bool value initially it is false, no, that's why it is going to show bool value is false. If you click on toggle button, this handle method it is going to call this one. Initially bool method is false, it becomes now true. It is going to apply to this bool value as true. Immediately the bool value becomes true, that's why it is going to handle this bool value. Bool val is true, now it is going to show dynamically. So at that only that this part it is going to update, at the same time only common thing is not this one, that's why it is going to display only true false value. It is going to change because it is running in the virtual DOM. This part only it is going to update, not the entire page. It is not going to refresh, only this part is going to update in virtual DOM, and it is going to give the final version real DOM. So that is called a single page application, we can call it as in React.js. So let's verify in the browser how it is going to toggle. So initially bool value is false, if you hit toggle it is going to change the true value. The page is not getting refreshed, no, that's why it is a single page application. That too, it is why it is performing because of virtual DOM, then only it is not rendering every part, only this part only rendering virtually and updating real DOM. So in this way we can achieve this yeah, by using bool with the useState. Initially false is there, that's why it is showing false, and if you click toggle in the console, look here, true is showing, so it is true, that's why every time it is going to toggle like this. In this way we can use this bool operation using the useState, and with the help of this ternary ternary operators. That means if it is true it is going to show, if it is false it is going to show this. That means the condition is that bool, if it is true, then it follows that question mark, that means it is going to handle. Bool is false, it is going to follow this colon, after this what we have, that it is going to show on the browser. In this way you can handle this bool operation by with the help of useState built-in method. Yeah, we forgot to mention that class name that is for this button, class name that is form control TROL, and at the same time we'll apply that. Just verify this, just toggling, but we need to apply the color, Control C, and here only we'll give the button value, Alt Shift F. Then look here in the browser, it is in toggle case and color also applied. So in this way we can achieve this. So that's it friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.